this is Mary, and I would love to show you this Roadtrek. So this is a Zion SRT. This is a new 2022 SRT. It's got a great feel up here and a lot of headspace up here, which is what I noticed. And I really think these chairs are comfortable. If you're going to go on a trip, this is a great feel. It feels very supported in here. So let's look in the back. So as you can see, when you open the door, you've got a step that automatically comes out. You do have a really nice bug screen here, which will be magnetized, so you can open it up right here, easy access, and come on in this way. This is your bathroom. This is a wet bath, so you've got everything that you need in there. And as you can see, they give you mirrors right here. And as we come over, this is a great feature here. I really like this. Look at that cabinet pantry space. So you can put your bags of chips and canned goods and little soup containers right here, all your spices. Then as we come across here, you have the kitchen. This is your sink, rotating faucet here, and you've got a lot of light here, even though this is like condensed. This is, you know, really a good workspace. You've got a microwave up top here, and this is new. They have a refrigerator that's light, so freezer on top, and then really big drawers here. You can put lots of pots and pans in here, so I like how they've done this. You have a lot of storage up over here, and of course this is the rear lounge area. You do have a TV right here, wardrobe hanging space that's in this cabinet, and then this is where you just kind of lounge. And there's seat belts back here, so if you have extra passengers to come along. So my name is Mary. If you would like to look at this van, please give me a call, 406-850-4590. Thanks.